This is the second book of Lisa Jewell that I read. This is The Night She Disappeared. So, ito yung mystery na crime thriller din siya. Yung premise ng book is that there's this girl, um, a teenage mom, tapos umalis sila ng boyfriend niya to go to a party, tapos bigla silang nawala. As in, out of the blue. As in, bigla na lang nawala. And then yung mom, of course, was trying to investigate. And then there's another character na na pumasok na was also trying to investigate years after nangyari yung disappearance. Parang everyone was already parang hopeless, parang accepted the fact na lang na nawala na sila. Tapos this other girl na nag-work dun sa university kung saan nag-aaral yung na-disappear na girl, si Talula, started to help sa investigation also. Kasi parang basta meron siya na-discover na something doon sa place niya that triggered her to start investigating. I super love this book kasi parang meron siyang haunted house feel, horror haunted house feel kasi parang nag-center din yung search dun sa isang malaking-malaking bahay ng mga mayaman na friend nitong si Talula. I can say so much more on this video pero I only have 90 seconds to finish, but I super love this book. Yung story niya, yung ending niya, really really perfect touch. I love the characters. Very ano yung characters niya, very very nice, very relatable. So enjoy!